Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's review, we're featuring the best showerhead handheld high-pressure option currently available, the Hotel Spa AquaCare High-Pressure 8-Mode Handheld Showerhead. If you're looking to elevate your daily shower routine, this one's going to impress you from the first splash. Let's start with the basics. Designed in the USA by top American shower experts, the AquaCare high-pressure showerhead is engineered not just for comfort, but also for functionality. This isn't your standard handheld showerhead. It's a full-on showering system packed into a sleek, modern design. The highlight here is pressure. Thanks to its high-pressure technology, this showerhead provides a powerful stream even in homes with lower water pressure. You'll immediately feel the difference when you turn it on. The flow is strong, invigorating, and consistent, perfect for everything from a quick rinse to a long relaxing soak. It comes with 8 different spray modes, which means you can customize your experience. Whether you prefer a gentle rainfall, an energizing massage, or a mix of both, there's a setting for you. Switching between modes is simple, with a clearly marked dial that clicks smoothly into place. But the AquaCare doesn't stop at just giving you a great shower. One of the standout features is the built-in power wash mode. Flip the head and you'll access a concentrated, targeted spray designed specifically to clean your tub, tiles, or even your pets. It turns your showerhead into a powerful cleaning tool, reducing the need for harsh chemicals and scrubbing. Cleaning itself is also easier thanks to anti-clog nozzles. The nozzle tips are designed to resist mineral buildup, so even if you live in a hard water area, you won't be constantly fighting with clogs or uneven sprays. Just rub the nozzles with your fingers, and any residue comes right off. Another user-friendly feature is the removable flow regulator. If you need to increase the water flow beyond factory settings, it can be taken out easily. This gives you complete control over your shower experience. The AquaCare showerhead also comes with an extra long 6-foot stainless steel hose. This is a game changer, especially if you're bathing pets, rinsing kids, or cleaning larger areas. It's flexible, durable, and doesn't kink like cheaper plastic alternatives. In terms of installation, it's tool-free. You can have it up and running in minutes. The kit includes both wall and overhead brackets, so you can use it however you like, handheld or mounted above like a rainfall shower. And while it delivers big on performance, it also looks great. The chrome finish is sleek, modern, and matches most bathroom decors. It feels sturdy in your hand, not flimsy or lightweight like some plastic models out there. It's ideal for anyone who wants a luxurious yet practical upgrade to their bathroom. Whether you're tackling mildew in the tiles, bathing a muddy dog, or just trying to relax after a long day, the AquaCare handheld showerhead covers it all. To wrap it up, the Hotel Spa AquaCare High-Pressure 8-Mode Handheld Showerhead is a top-tier choice for performance, design, and versatility. It truly stands out in a crowded market by combining spa-like luxury with day-to-day practicality. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next product breakdown. See you in the next one.